Elevate your dining area with our Bolero Santiago furniture range. The flexible chairs and table are ideal for use indoor or out. The UV protection prevents fading to keep colours vibrant, while the fitted foot bungs guard against floor scratches. Designed for long-lasting comfort, the Santiago armchairs combine sleek black aluminium frames with mesh backs and seats. Their lightweight construction makes them easy to manoeuvre, and they're stackable for easy storage. Supplied in a set of 4, these chairs arrive fully assembled. The durable and stylish Santiago table is made from black powder-coated steel. Built to handle the heat, it's suitable for hot plates up to 180 degrees and is resistant to both stains and scratches for long-lasting use. The table arrives flat-packed and ready to put together in minutes. Bolero Santiago, built for business, designed to impress.
Shop now at nisbets.co.uk.